Hello, have you ever considered that a cup is best filled when it's empty? The same is true for our mind. We must be willing to let go of preconceived notions, old habits, or limiting beliefs to create space for new ideas, experiences, and possibilities to enter our lives. It is very challenging to move forward when our thought process is stuck in the past. But the great news is that awareness can already help catapult you to the next level. Today I want to give you a simple way to reframe statements into questions that will awaken a sense of curiosity. With it comes a different mindset. Example 1. This won't work for us. Complacent thinkers who are satisfied with the status quo like to use this statement. Here is a question that helps you move forward rather than feeling stuck. How can we make this work for us? Example 2. I know that. This statement prevents you from letting in new information, learning and growing. Change it to, what can I learn from that? Example 3. This is how we have always done it. A fixed mindset will prevent innovation and creativity. Simply ask, what is a better way of doing this? There are countless examples of how a constructive thought process will help you communicate better with yourself and others. How you think will impact how you feel, and how you feel will impact how you speak. Makes sense, doesn't it? I don't want to be stuck in the past in a constantly changing world. Do you? This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.